Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will provide an explanation of why the conflict between Israel and Palestinian could break out again and result in many casualties between both parties, and tell a little bit about the history of how the Palestinian territories become three separate parts. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict dates back to the end of the 19th century. In 1947, the United Nations adopted Resolution 181, known as the Partition Plan, which sought to divide the British Mandate of Palestine into Arab and Jewish states. On May 14 and 1948, the State of Israel was created, sparking the first Arab-Israel War. The war ended in 1949 with Israel victory, but 750,000 Palestinians were displaced, and the territory was divided into three parts. The first state is the state of Israel. Second state, the west bank of the Jordan River, and the third place is the Gaza Strip. In early October 2023, war broke out between Israel and Hamas, the militant Islamist group that has controlled since Gaza 2006. Hamas fighters fired rockets into Israel and stormed southern Israel cities and towns across the border of the Gaza Strip, killing and injuring hundreds of soldiers and civilians and taking dozens of hostages. The attack took Israel by surprise, so the states quickly mounted a deadly retaliatory operation. One day after the October 7 attack, the Israeli cabinet formally declared war against Hamas, followed by a directive from the defense minister to the Israel Defense Force to carry out a complete siege of Gaza. Following the outbreak of war between Israel and Hamas on October 7, 2023, President Joe Biden made a strong statement of support for Israel. On the same day that Israel declared war against the terrorist group, the United States announced that it would send renewed shipments of arms and move its Mediterranean Sea warship closer to Israel. While the UN Security Council called an emergency meeting to discuss the renewed violence, the members failed to come to a consensus statement, given the history of brutality when Israel and Palestinian extremist groups have fought in the past. International groups quickly expressed concern for the safety of civilians on Israel and the Palestinian territories, as well as those being held hostage by militants in Gaza. In the first 2 days of fighting, approximately 800 Israel and 500 Palestinians were killed. Increasing loss of life is of primary concern in the conflict. In the end, I hope may our brother in Palestine be given patience for the disaster and misfortunes that have experienced so far, and pray for this conflict can be end quickly. So that is from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.